Hey everybody, it's the D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to our channel and like this video. I want to talk about a few things about writing and what this channel represents. This channel is for the storytellers. Anything that you would like to know about books, aesthetics as far as we're gonna talk about those things too. But I am here to tell you that you can Google like if there's certain things that you want to know, such as font size, how many pages, how many words a book have, and book covers and things like that. You can actually Google those things. I am going to be talking about that, but this channel is basically set for storytelling. I am here to help you tell a story. And everything else you can figure out around it. Tell an effective story. That way you can sell as many books as you want and you can build a fan base by telling a good story. That is what this channel is based on. Well, books, books as well, how to sell them. But there's so many things that you can actually do your research on and Google yourself. I will be bringing across some of those elements on this channel in some of these videos, but you don't have to wait on me. Pretty much everything that I'm telling you, I learned from doing a little bit of research. Peace. I'm D Revolution. Like and subscribe to my page. Peace.